All right, I know why you're here. You have a Sienna and you want to change the air filter by itself. Well, go ahead and pop that hood, not the gas, but actually the hood. This is a surprisingly easy job, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So keep in mind, I'm not a mechanic at all, just a do-it-yourselfer, but changing that air filter is something that I like to do every 10 to 14,000 miles or so in my vehicle. I do opt for the disposable ones as opposed to the really nice KN filters, for example, that you can buy. Mostly because I'm lazy, I don't want to clean those. There's extra liquid that they recommend that you buy to clean those, and then suddenly you're like 80 to 100 bucks into an air filter, where it seems like it's a little better to spend $8 every 12,000 miles or so. So you can see I just unclipped the housing there, and it just slides right out. And the orientation, make note of the orientation before you remove the old one. It'll save you just an extra minute or so of thinking about, oh gosh, which way do I put this back in? It might help to film it as you remove it so you can have visual evidence of which way it went in. Anyway, we're going to get the new one out, and I'll put links down below in the description, but check to make sure that that one fits yours, right? This one may be a different model. This Sienna might be a different year or something. They may have changed the number. But this is the one that fits mine, and you can do a search on Amazon or some other company, AutoZone or something. You can enter your year, model, and make, and it'll tell you exactly which ones you are eligible to buy based on correct fit. So really easy. We're going to put that back in, oriented like that, into the housing, and it just kind of slides back in there. Now, before you put that back in there, you'll notice there's some debris, and I'm just going to reach down and pick that out. And you can also get out the shop vac and just pop it down there, just to make sure nothing ends up where it shouldn't. You don't want one of those large pieces of grass or something to actually be sucked down into your engine. So that's the point of the filter, right? So you get that shop vac out if you need to, and make sure it seats correctly. If there's any resistance or anything, that's probably not correct, so back it out. But in this case, really simple job. We'll just kind of peek at the battery terminals and anything else that you may see, just a visual inspection, the windshield wiper, the coolant. You can even check your oil. Pretty simple stuff. My battery, I'm going to change out the battery in my other vehicle, so if you're interested in how to do that, follow along, look out for a future video. But we generally should be good, and we'll stop the video there. Hopefully this has helped you out. Click the like button if it has, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more do-it-yourself solutions.